We've got 2 fun STEAM activities for you today, and it involves snow. Hi there, friends!
Hi, it's Ava,
Ashley,
and Olivia,
and we're the Crafty
A's.
So our first activity is all about making a snow volcano.
we need vinegar, baking soda, cups, and food coloring. Before we go outside, we'll have to fill our cup with baking soda and our food coloring.
Add your baking soda to your cup. Now here we used a very small cup from the Dollar Tree, but you can grab a regular cup and just cut it down. Next, you're going to grab your food coloring. You want to add 2 to 3 drops inside. We chose red so it looks like lava, but you can choose whichever you like.
Now it's time to go outside.
Don't forget your vinegar.
Here they're building their volcano, so we're going to make a really big hill or hump in the snow. Wow, this is a great volcano, girls. It's really tall. The growlings from these guys are going wild. Okay, so now she's pushing her cup right in the middle. You can use a regular Dixie cup, or if you use like a solo cup, you could cut it in half. Okay, so just to show you, basically she's got the cup in the middle of her volcano here. Now she's pouring her. Whoa, look at it explode. I love it. Whoa. Ah, Lucy says, what's this?
Okay, we're done playing in the snow. Next, we're going to teach you how to make fake snow.
We need baking soda and white conditioner.
In a bowl, you're just going to add your baking soda. Grab your conditioner because you're going to add a little bit to your bowl. And here, I mean just a little bit, because once you start mixing, you'll see that it starts to get a great consistency like snow. So if you need some more, you could always add more at the end. Here she's showing you the consistency. It's almost like snowman snow. You can actually mold this, which is fabulous.
Okay, friends, I hope you had a great time with us playing in the snow today. Whether you live in cold weather or warm weather, we still were able to make snow today or play with snow. You can store this in your refrigerator and then take it out and play with it so it's nice and cool. It's good for 2 weeks in the refrigerator. I hope you have fun, friends. Bye!
Bye.